Now we shall pass on to the problem number 23. In this also, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The last line says that prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The firm closes its account on 31st March every year. So, started business on 1st April 2018 and therefore 31st March 2019 only this will close. If it begins with January, it will end with December. If it begins with April 1st, then it will end with the next year March. So 31/3/2019. Okay, now we go to the problem. During the year, the firm earned a profit of 3,65,000. So the last date 31/3/2019. By profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. The amount is 3,65,000. As usual, we should write the interest on drawing alone this side and other items on the debit side. So, what is given at the top? According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get a salary of rupees 90,000 per annum. So, on the last date, 2019, to salary to Anthony. Anthony to get a salary of 90,000. Okay, then next item. Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to an Anthony and interest on capital at 5% per annum. This line you should read twice or thrice. When Ranjit is eligible for receiving commission after allowing salary to Anthony, after allowing interest on capital, 25% commission is given to Ranjit. That is very important. After allowing interest on capital, after allowing salary to Anthony. Salary to Anthony, it is written there. And the next item is interest on capital. Because it is given clearly after allowing interest on capital and the salary. Now we can find interest on capital. The two partners, Anthony and Ranjit. Anthony, how much to get in the name of interest on capital? 5%. So, Anthony 4 lakhs into 5/100. Ranjit 3 lakhs into 5/100. $20,000. And this is 15,000. So we should write both this amount. So Anthony 20,000. Ranjit 15,000. The total amount of interest on capital 35,000. I shall go back to the statement once again. Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profits. If it is like that, we should take the profit 3,65,000. Listen carefully, it is an important point. 25% commission on profit. If the statement is with that it is closed, then you should take 3,65,000 into 25%. And what is the tail part of the sentence? After allowing salary, after allowing interest on capital, find what is the balance of profit. From that balance of profit, 25% is given as a commission to Ranjit. It is the question. You follow what it is. The profit and profit length 25% கொடுன்னா ஓகே. ஆனா அந்த ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு கொக்கி ஒன்று போட்டுறாங்க அந்த இடத்துல. என்ன? allow interest on capital, allow salary, அதெல்லாம் போக மீதி இருக்கு பாரு. அந்த அமௌண்ட்ல இருந்து you find the commission 25% to Ranjit. This is the question. It's very important. We cannot take 3,65,000 as it is. So on this date, to commission to Ranjit. Commission to Ranjit. Ranjit, 25% from the balance. What is from the balance? This is 3,65,000 minus 90,000 minus 25,000, and with this, what is the balancing figure? From this amount, that is 115 is over, then what is the balancing figure? 90 plus 35. I have written 25 here. This is 35. This is 35. 90, 35. After minusing this, we will get an amount what? 2,40,000. In this 2,40,000 only, Ranjit is permitted to be given 25% commission. 25% commission from this 2,40,000 only into 25 by 100. This is how we go. The last problem. Not after allowing these two. No such condition is given. Straight away we can go. We have taken the profit in the beginning. What is there? Given 2,20,000. From the 2,20,000, the profit is calculated and written there. That we have written. But in this, after allowing these two, only the Ranjit is eligible for commission from the amount balance, that is after minusing 90,000 and 30,000. What is 2,40,000 into 25 by 100? 2,40,000 into 25 by 100. And you can multiply with this 0, 4 into 2500, 10, 2 into 25, 50, 50 plus 10, 2,40,000. 2 zeros over, and it is 25% or 20% it is given. It is 25%. I wrote 25%. 25%, you can multiply now, 2 zeros are over, 0. What is 25% of 2,40,000? This is 48,000. 2 zeros are over, and we can multiply 0, 0, 10, 2 into 25, 2,40,000. The remaining balance 125 is over 2,40,000. Out of this 25%, 25 by 100, that is 1/4 of 2,40,000 is 48,000. 48,000. You can simplify. 25 by 100, 2 zeros are over, you can multiply and you will get 48,000. 2,40,000 is the balance, and from that 2,40,000 into 25 by 100. We should write that. But we are getting here 60,000 if you simplify. Why it is? I told you in other small problems. I told you, I remind you once again in other small problems. Listen carefully in other small problems. If there is a commission of 10%, say for example for 10,000, if it is 10% before, then 10 by 100. This is before. If it is after, 10,000 into not 10 by 100, 10 by 110 we should write. This is very important. I taught in small problems in the beginning. Before and after. This is in case of before, we should write the percentage by 100. If it is after, the percentage by plus 100, 10% means 110, 20% means 120, 25% means 125. So what we should write here? We should write 25 by 125. So the amount here we should write is 125. It's very clear. If it is before, we can write 25 by 100. If it is after, we should write 25 by not 100. The 25 also should be added. And the 100 put a 25 is there. So 125. If you simplify this 5 times, if you simplify by this, you will get 48,000. So commission to Ranjit 48,000 we can write. After writing this, what we must do? We must pass on to the profit share of the partners. Yes, now it is 3,65,000. Since there is no interest on drawing is given, we should write only that amount 3,65,000 the total. $3,65,000. And here you write 3,65,000. 3,65,000. What should be the balancing figure? You add and find the balance. What is their balance? 90, 125, 133 and 173. See, after leaving 173, what should be the balance? 0, 0, 0, 2, 1,92,000 is the balancing figure. This amount should be divided and given to the partners, to partners capital account. To partners capital account. Who are the two partners? Anthony, Ranjit. Anthony, Ranjit. This 192 should be divided in what ratio? It is given in the ratio, profit sharing ratio of between the two partners is 1:1. How do you interpret it? If the ratio is 1:1, it should be divided equally. What is the half of 1,92,000? That is 1,92,000 into half. If you simplify this, you will get 96,000. So each will get 96,000. That's all. With that, I should repeat once again, what is the specialty in this problem? Here you are supposed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. The accounts are closed in March every year. Since it begins in 1st April 2018, automatically it ends on 31/3/2019. It is the last date of the accounting year. So, on the last date of the accounting year, the profit earned by the concern is 3,55,000. It is written there. And the salary for Anthony, the salary is given 90,000. And interest on capital, it is calculated from the capital amount available, 4 lakhs by Anthony and 3 lakhs by Ranjit. Therefore, 4 lakhs into 5/100, 3 lakhs into 5/100. The total amount 20,000, 15,000, 35,000. Then 25% of the commission is allowed to Ranjit. There they have given a condition very carefully. When Ranjit is eligible to get the commission, after allowing interest on capital and salary, from the balance amount only 25% of commission is allowed. So in that case, what we must do? From the 3,65,000, the salary 90,000 should be minus. The interest on capital 35,000 should be minus, and the balance amount from 4,40,000 only 25% of commission is paid to Ranjit. Okay. When if it is before, you should write 25/100. If it is after 25 by not 100, 125. Because 25% is given. 25 by 100 plus this. We should write. When if it is after. If it is before, need not worry. 25 by 100 we can write. Okay. 25 by 125. If you simplify this, you will get 48,000. Now you can find the total. The balancing figure is 1,92,000. What does it mean? This is the remaining profit that should be shared among the partners. And it is a condition given the remaining profit. The profit after allowing these adjustments should be divided in the ratio 1:1. 1:1 in the sense they should be divided equally. Therefore, 1,92,000 into 96,000. For Anthony 96,000 and for Ranjit 96,000. And I will give you an assignment. You should attend that assignment also. I give you the assignment from illustrations 1 to 4. Illustration 1 to 4 and problems, exercise problems, not exercise problem, again illustration. After 1 to 4, you can do some more illustrations, 22, 23, 21, 22, 23, 24. 21, 22, 23, 1 to 4 and 21, 22, 23. These are the 4 plus 3, 7 problems what you must do as assignment. That's all.